Today we need to fix the tailgate on my F-150 Raptor because hitting that handle doesn't want to open. So I'm afraid that one of these days it's just not going to open and I'm going to have a bigger problem. So we're going to take off this back cover, try to adjust a few things, and hopefully it happens. I'll show you what's happening though. Watch this. Now it wants to open. That was a little easier than normal. So let's start taking these off. This is going to be a T30. And we're going to start zipping these off. Now that the back cover is off, we are left with this. And this is what we're going to need to undo when you hit the handle. I want these a little tighter. It looks a little too loose. It's probably just from wear. So we're going to pinch these, open it up, and make it tighter. And then I'm probably going to clean this up a little bit because it's here. Why not? So with these, you just have to pop it out from the bottom. I used a little screwdriver. Just create a little pressure so that this lip and this separate. Mine was completely flush when I started. This is how much you can see. And on the other side, you can see this. So, let's put this down. It's latched. Now, it opens like it should. Now remember when I did this, and this is a slow open, go watch that video. But, super easy. Just take this off, T30s. We'll be back to business.